Hello everyone, my name is Hussein Maya De Vera and I'm here to discuss the other types of norms, which are the national norms, national anchor norms, subgroup norms, and local norms. At the end of the report, the student should be able to differentiate types of norms and identify the functions of every norms. This report is a continuation of the previously discussed types of norms, which are the percentile, age, and grade norms. National norms are derived from a standardization sample that was nationally representative of the population. In psychology and education, national norms may be obtained by testing large numbers of people representative of age, gender, racial or ethnic background, socioeconomic strata, geographical location, and different types of communities within the various parts of the country. Norms from many different tests may all claim to have nationally representative samples. Still, close scrutiny of the description of the sample employed may reveal that the sample differs in many different aspects. For this reason, it is always a good idea to check the manual of the tests under consideration to see exactly how comparable the tests are. The precise nature of the questions raised when developing national norms will depend on whom the test is designed for and what is designed to do. So the important that test users must raise as consumers of test-related information are what are the differences between the tests I am considering for use in terms of their normative samples, and how comparable are these normative samples to the samples of test takers with whom I will be using the tests. National anchor norms provide stability to test scores by anchoring them to other test scores. It is considered as one of the solutions for lack of compatibility of norms by using anchor tests to work out equivalency tables for scores on different tests. Such tables are designed to show what score in test A is equivalent to each score in test B. This can be done by equipercentile method, which is a procedure for showing how two measures are similar such that a shared value of x on the two measurements implies that the probability of a person drawn at a random having a score greater than x is the same for both measures. Subgroup norms are a normative sample that can be segmented by any of the selection criteria. The subgroup may be formed with respect to age, grade, type of curriculum, sex, socioeconomic levels, and etc. These are used to determine the type of differentiation that is most relevant as well as whether general or specific norms are made appropriate. Local norms are typically developed by test users themselves within a particular setting. It provides normative information on the local population's test performance. These local norms are useful for many test purposes, such as the prediction of student job performances or college achievement in different subjects, or the measurement of an individual's progress over time. For example, some test users use abbreviative forms of existing tests, which requires new norms. Some test users substitute one subtest for another within a larger test, thus creating the need for new norms. These are only some scenarios that would lead the prudent test users to develop local norms.